Sister Rebecca. I am belonging to Congregation of the Sisters of the Catholic Apostolate, Palatines. I was born on 28th December 1978 at Mariapura. My father is called Antonappa, he is a farmer, and my mother is Ritamma, he is a housewife. I have 3 brothers and 1 sister. We have 5 children, 3 boys, 2 girls. My sister is a housewife and two of my brothers are working at home in my village. One brother is working in IBM. I am a sister. I am working in Italy. My primary school finished here at Alsur. After 4th, I went to Mysore to study since my aunt was there in St. Anne's High School. Since she retired from there, I went to my grandma's place at Mariapura. There I finished my 10th. Then plus 2, I finished in Kanakapura. After that, I went to join convent. There I finished my formation in Kerala 6 years. Then I studied my nursing in St. Philomena's Hospital. After that, I went to since I go to Mysore, I have not seen the sisters or fathers, anybody. But at home, always they were calling me already sister, sister. Even though I don't know what is the meaning of that word. Then they were deciding that I have to become a nun, sister in this place, in this parish, as a first sister. They were always encouraging me. Since I studied in convent school, by seeing the sisters' life and prayer life, I really something changes I saw in my life. Then as I joined in the convent, I really experienced that God's love. Then dedicate myself, and so after plus 2, I went to Kerala because there is my 2 cousin sisters. Like this, June 13th, my uncle had come to my house for the feast of this day. I had prepared already to join to St. Anne's. So this day was the great day for me to take the decision where to go, which congregation I can select. So 14th itself, I went directly to Kerala. There I finished my aspirancy and till novitiate. After first profession, I went to study. In first profession, 6 months I was in Bangalore because they were searching for my nursing. During the 6 months, I was doing as a vocational promoter with another sister. After 6 months, since the other 2 sisters were there with me, so we came to Bangalore, Banaswadi, as our community is there and our parish is nearby. We joined there in St. Philomena's 3.5 years as a nursing course. As we finished, I went to Mysore. There, since I was preparing my passport, I remained there 1.5 years. Then I was working already as a nurse since our clinic is there. After that, once I got passport, I went. As I went to Rome, I worked in our hospital. It is a big clinic. So as I was there, by seeing our old sisters, how eagerly, with much love they were working, it was great inspiration for me to work there and help them. I selected that province because I have experienced Indian situation and Italian situation. Being Italian situation, I selected Italian province because all are old. Many have died now during this period. Many died. Only some 70 sisters remained, Italian sisters. All are Indians. It is our charism to carry. We are the future sisters to carry out this mission. So in that intention, maybe India or Italy, we are one. Our congregation is one. We are doing for God's love. No? It is love of God we are doing that service. So wherever I may be, whatever may be, I do my service in the best way. That is my intention. So by seeing the sister's condition, I selected that province and I am working. And after 1.5 years, as I learned very soon, they gave me in charge of old sisters. They were about 40-45, and I took care of them for years. Then now they have taken me on school to work in the office, and as this corona is existing, still I have to control now and then those who come, people come, parents, especially parents and children, those who enter, I have to control the fever, any emergency for the children when they fall, all the first aid, as in the school they need one nurse in Italy also. For that purpose I am in the school. As I was in Mysore, there was one seminary. There was a program about for all sisters and fathers. So for that I also had gone. Since our fathers, we feel very free, and I was talking in Kannada. It was a big gathering. I was in last. I was talking Kannada. Some sisters were in front of me. As they heard, they were looking at me as I was talking Kannada. Then after some time they asked what about my name, from where you are coming. As I told from Bettadalasuru, soon they see she is St. Anthony's daughter. So that was so I cannot forget. In front of God I can especially remember. I cannot say that. My father is gone. He is praying for me. He is no more. As I remember my father, he is my special favorite inspiration, because always he was desiring to see me as a sister. As to my younger sisters, as I want to give a message. Even though there are many difficulties, struggles, once we accept the God's call, it is really, when we depend Him, He will defend us. He will stand for us. That is my experience. I experience a lot in different way, in different situations. I always trust in God in any situation I face. So it gives strength. So when God calls once, really He wants us. In this world many people are there, but why some people He calls? That is His will. He has some purpose. That I believe. That I hope He does something through us. I am proud to say that I am the first sister in this Bettadalasur, in this parish of St. Anthony. At present I am serving in Italy. The place is called Ostia.